Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this series I will show you how to install a WordPress in your local machine and setup. So there is a two-way to install a WordPress in your local. The first is you can download from a official website of WordPress, and second is you can download it from a CLI. So first you can download it from us with the WordPress official website. So get a WordPress and download the newest version from here. And with CLI you need to follow the some commands for installing a CLI in your machine. So install a CLI. First you can run this command, then info, then I will give this link to my description box, so you can get this link from there. So next we are going to my server folder, var www.html. So this is my server folder. In your case this is another folder maybe, so you can download your WordPress in your server folder. So we are locate the server folder from here, cd var www.html. Now I am creating a new directory here for WordPress. So mkdir WordPress new and enter. The directory is created, and now I'm entered the directory cd WordPress new. So now I write the command here for installing WordPress, wp core download, and it will download in a second. So you can see the WordPress is downloaded, and this is the newest version of WordPress. So here is my wp admin, wp content, and includes and load and all the files of WordPress. So here is not a config file, this is a config sample file. So now we are generate a config file here. So go back to your terminal and wp config create / database name is equal to WordPress new. The DB name is database name. You can choose as you want, what you want, anything you can write here for the database. This is the name of your WordPress to create, and --db user is equal to, in my case it is root, and db password is equal to Shubham, and now enter. The wp config file is generated here, and you can open it so you can see the DB name is WordPress new, and the DB user is root, and the DB password is Shubham, and DB host is localhost. So now create a wp db create. So it will create your database. The database is created, and you can see the php my admin localhost / php my admin. So you can see the WordPress new database is created, and now locate your folder from the localhost / open your website here like WordPress new and enter. So now it will ask your site title because wp config has been generated. So now it is go to the next step and asking about the site title. So my site title will be new site, and username will be admin, and password will be admin, and confirm to the weak password, and Shubham wrong email gmail.com. Never do this type of in your live site, because it will create a problem for you. Always use different username like this and generate the password. Admin dash admin, like this. You can use a strong password and always put your email correct and install WordPress. Now it will take a few seconds here. So here you can see the WordPress has created default tables here with the prefixes wp underscore comment meta, and the 12 tables are useful. The post may be three rows, and our WP site is ready, admin is ready, and login. So this is our admin panel, and how's our site is look like. So this is not good, but we will make it better. So this is our home page of our website, and this is appearance, themes, and you can see the 2021 is theme is activated. 2020 29 2020, the 2020 is which one is better? I think it is better. Okay, so this is our theme section. You can select any theme and you can add theme and install a new theme. There is a many theme options for you. You can upload a theme. This is our theme section. You can use any theme of this, and this is our post sections here. You can add your posts here and upload, and this is your media section. You can upload your videos, images, and PDF files, etc. And this is your page section. You can create your page for this is a sample page, so you can add more page here. And this is comment section. You can all comments are stored here. This is appearance. You can appearance you can customize your theme, widgets, menus, and background and theme editor. And plugins, the WordPress is known for the plugins because it is used the plugin for creating a website, and the many plugin is used to easy way to creating a website. And in user section, your users and user data. In tool, you can import export your files. Available tools, site health, you can check your site health and export your personal data and erase your personal data. In setting, you can setting your site. For example, you can general setting. It's here is your site title and taglines here, and your WordPress address, site address, administration email, membership, and new user default route. So you can set here, you can set permalink here, you can set privacy here. So this is our WordPress overview. So the Git repository link will be in description and you can find there. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, and thank you.